Fury Bowser Jr. from the Mario Galaxy movie. Let's try this. He looks cool. It's awesome. It's a good name as well, Fury. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm going to start with his snout, right, because it's kind of in the middle. So, curves. So we'll just carve it. Up and down. Okay, just a carved line in the middle. And then his nostrils are in here. So just like these little nostril shapes. So then his eyebrows come out from here. So we get like these flaming eyebrows. Everything's kind of on fire. One there. And another one over this side. Okay, and then his eyes are in underneath. So just these sort of glowing white and red kind of eyes. So there might be, are they? Well, they're kind of just all the one color, I think. They're just glowing. So you can color them whatever way you want, really. So then out from here, we get like the side of his face. Going that way. On there. And then just like the top of his head, just carving from here and then over. Also, like he's got like scaly skin, so sometimes if you put like some of these circles together, it makes him look kind of scaly. That's optional. Looks like he has ears. Are they ears? Or maybe they're ears. Okay, well, just up here, there's these spikes that stick up. They're black. They're not like his horns. They're different. I think they're ears. And then his hair. So he's got that piece that ties it. And then you just add lots of spiky fire shapes. There's like even more that goes. So that's all red and orange and yellow with like bits of fire even coming off the tops here. Okay, so now we got to do that big mask. So just back down here, curves underneath his nose, and around the other side. Then it comes down. It's kind of like a strawberry, that sort of shape. or like a shield. And then it seems to have like a little bit of an edge line just on top, so you just follow around that shape again. And then we add that glowing, spiking, lightning sort of teeth. All the way around. Then we have to do another line on top of this. And it's kind of like scratchy a bit, because it is kind of fiery energy, you know. Okay, so body and arms and legs and stuff. So he's got like a turtle shell thing here, coming down here real bumpy. And then this has lines on it, so like a turtle shell usually does. And then like his belly just comes down here. And this side of his body this way. His legs come off down there. Another leg comes down here. And then this side, the other leg goes out this way. I think we can see his tail just going underneath here. Doo-doo-doo. Right, so big claws down here. 1, 2, 3. And then 3 over this side. This claw kind of points towards us. And again, make him look scaly just to add circles on his reptile skin. Arms then, so sort of bumping down that way, and he has these wristbands on. Other one, a bit longer. We get his shoulder, his forearm then. There, and then his wristband. Right, and then his hands sticking down. So very sharp nails again on each finger. Just 3 fingers, I think, on each hand. 3 fingers and a thumb. And over here too. We'll add some circles. And then the last thing we got to do is his shell. So we can see the black sort of edge of it here. And then he's got the spikes, and they have like little bumps that stick off. So there's like little round parts. And then the spikes go far up here. There's some down here as well. And there's some behind his head. Like that, and I think there's one more here. And sometimes there's like little bits of fire even coming off these. Fury, Bowser Jr. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.